You know what? I didn't even realize how much AI had changed the way I work and write till the time I actually went back and looked at my older drafts. I am not here to tell you how you should or should not use AI. This is not one of those don't use technology kind of videos. I'm just here to share my experience as a researcher who has been doing this for a few years now. Honestly, the first 2.5 years of my PhD was way different than this last year, and most of it had to do with the flood of AIs that we have been using. So, the first thing that I have noticed is this illusion of originality. When you ask AI to generate an argument, it looks new, it looks polished, even convincing. But I realized that it is actually borrowing information from some other source, and so it's not really thinking or creating something new. It is just rephrasing what others have said, rebranding it to sound like it's you. But it's just actually borrowing someone else's words, and we're just not giving them enough credit. And then there is this other thing that I have personally noticed. I write something from my own head, from my own thinking, and it's all messy, it's raw, of course. And so I maybe give it to AI to make it a bit more clean or maybe expand a little bit. And the result suddenly is it just does not sound like me. I mean, it sounds like it is my thinking, but it sounds like someone else has written it totally. It just sanitizes my writing a bit too much. It just erases all those messy, I am still figuring it out tone. And AI just does not allow you to be in that zone where you are still figuring out. It just gives you a product that is completely finished. There is no scope for any confusion. Because of that, everything sounds the same. Every research, every article has started somehow sounding the same. It has lost that touch of individuality, that identity of its own, and it just looks polished and clean, but there's just no personality. And then there is one thing that really freaks me out. AI will make sense of anything and everything. So, if you ask AI to create a link between Shakespeare and cryptocurrency, trust me, it will find a way to do that. And that is somehow a bit uncomfortable for me. It just feels like that in order to sound new and convincing, if you sound new and convincing, anything will work. And I just don't think that is what research is about. Just saying that earlier research used to feel slow but alive, and now it is getting fast, but it does feel a little bit hollow. Maybe that's the trade off that we have made, and uh, we'll just figure it out eventually. And so I'm not saying that we should not use AI. I'm going to use AI because it saves a lot of time, but I'm still figuring it out and I'm trying to retain that balance where it is helping me also, but it is still capturing my voice. And